Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove GST from amount in Excel. So let's start. So here you can see I have data, the total amount including the GST 18%. So here I'm going to remove the GST amount from this total amount. Okay. So in GST amount, I select here the first cell, then press here the is equal to, then select here the A2, the in total amount, then add the asterisk sign, type here 80/118 and press the enter. And that's it. Here the GST amount is calculated. Then select the cell and double click on this corner point to fill the formula in below cell. And here you can see the GST amount is calculated of every cell. Then amount before GST, then select the cell, use is equal to, select the total amount including GST, and use the minus and select here the GST amount. Press enter and that's it. Amount before GST. Select the amount, double click on the corner point to fill below cell. So that's it. So this is a way you can remove GST amount from total amount in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you.